In this video, we will see how to create a new project in Qtest Manager. Qtest administrators have the right to create a new project from scratch or clone existing ones. Each project can have its own set of users, fields, and integrations. For demonstration purpose, we will create a simple project. Let's first see how we can create a new project. Select the administration option in the username drop-down menu. Here select the projects tab. Here you can find two options, one to add a new project and another one to clone an existing project. To create a new project completely from scratch, add the new project button. Now we will see how we can create a new project from scratch. In the new project dialog, define the project name and the start and end date. It is a best practice to keep the end date field empty. Otherwise, it will prevent you from making changes within the project after the date entered passes. For example, entering test cases, requirement, etc. You can optionally assign a template name of a site template if you wish to use the same fields from another project. Assign project admins to add a user and assign the project admin permission to the project. These users will have access to all the project level settings and will receive an email notification of their level permission changes. You can also assign user groups as project admins by assigning user groups. Finally, fill in the project description. Cloning a project is similar to creating a new project, but the project created will then inherit certain already defined properties from the already existing project. These properties are settings, are customizable so you can choose the level of similarity which you want to clone. Cloning also allows you to inherit all project values from one source project. This could include things like user management and notification settings, and also the structure of the test design and test plan. This makes recreating projects a breeze without a labor incentive overhead. Let's see how we can create a project by cloning another. Here select the clone from existing project option in the clone project dialog. Enter the same information as you did before like project name, start and end date. Assign project admin and user group and add a description. Once you're done defining the project properties, you scroll down to the another cloning settings. Here select the source project and then select the settings and the objective types that you want to clone. Here we will select the demo project from which we want to clone all the project properties. Once done, select clone. In this video, we have seen how to create a new project in Qtest Manager. Thank you for watching this video.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the Tricentis Academy channel to get the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you best utilize Tricentis' continuous testing platform. For more information, please click the links in the description.